The Samsung RF30BB6200QL Refrigerator offers an impressive 30 cubic feet of storage space, making it ideal for large families or those who love to entertain. With its customizable and changeable door panels, this refrigerator allows you to personalize its appearance to match your kitchen's decor perfectly. The refrigerator features an innovative AutoFill water pitcher and dual ice maker, providing a convenient solution for both cubed ice and ice bites. Its flat panel door design with recessed handles not only looks modern, but also seamlessly blends into your kitchen setting. The inclusion of two large crisper drawers makes it easy to store a variety of fruits and vegetables, keeping them fresh for longer. As an Energy Star rated appliance, this refrigerator ensures energy efficiency, which is beneficial for both the environment and your utility bills.